Hello friends. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we will learn types of jobs and career paths in the hospitality industry. So let's start the video. Number 1. Management jobs in the hospitality industry. These are the jobs that pay the most and are the most difficult to get career. You would at least need to have a decade of experience to reach this level. Some of the executive jobs in the hospitality industry are Chief Executive Officer, Vice President of Human Resources, Vice President, Corporate Communications, Vice President, Marketing, Cluster Director Food and Beverage, Cluster Director Finance, Corporate Executive Chef, Hotel General Manager. Number 2. Food and beverage service jobs. The food and beverage sector of the hospitality industry has a huge number of jobs roles. Some of the typical roles in the hotels and restaurants. Food and beverage director, food and beverage manager, assistant food and beverage manager, outlet manager, restaurant manager, bar manager, banquet manager, food and beverage executive, food and beverage supervisor, guest service associate or waiter, banquet associates, bus person, bartender, trainees. Number 3. Food and beverage production, kitchen, jobs, creative hospitality careers. The kitchen is the mainstay of all hospitality organizations. The types of hospitality career titles you can expect to have in the food and beverage production department. Executive Chef, Chef de Cuisine, Head Baker, Executive Sous Chef, Chief Steward, Banquet Chef, Pastry Chef, Sous Chefs, Butchery Chef, Chef de Partie, CDP, for multiple cuisines. Demi Chef de Partie, DCDP, for multiple cuisines. Kitchen Stewarding Supervisor, Commis Chef, Kitchen Stewards, Trainees. Number 4. Front Office Reservation Department jobs. If you want to explore hotel career options, then front office can be a tempting option. Room Divisions Director, Front Office Manager, Reservation Manager, Duty Manager, Guest Relations Manager, Night Manager, Front Office Supervisor Executive, Guest Relations Executive, Reservation Supervisor, Bell Captain, Concierge, Front Desk Agent, Bellboy, Telephone Operator, Travel Desk Coordinator. Number 5. Housekeeping jobs. The housekeeping department is said to be the biggest department in the hotel industry and facility services. They ensure the cleanliness and beauty of the premises, rooms and common areas. Most typical roles are Director of Housekeeping, Executive Housekeeper, Deputy Housekeeper, Housekeeping Manager, Laundry Manager, Housekeeping Executive, Floor Supervisor, Desk Coordinator, Laundry Valet, Linen Attendant, Room Attendant, Public Area Attendant, Tailor. Number 6. Human Resources and Training jobs in the hospitality industry. Managing such a diverse workforce is one of the biggest challenges in the hotel industry. It is this department of the hospitality industry that is responsible for learning the art of hiring and retaining the best hospitality talent. Let's list a few of the key people here. Director of Human Resources, Human Resource Manager, Training Manager, Human Resource Supervisor, Executive Secretary, Human Resource Agent, Training Executive, Interns. Hope you like video, so share video with your friends.